Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ri, and today's video is a October bullet journaling video. And for this month's spread, I'm doing a pumpkin patch theme where I'm drawing a couple of different sized pumpkins on the bottom, and I'm going to draw some vines extending out of it with some leaves and branches coming out of the vines, and have those vines circling around the text. And for the colors, I'm using the Crayola Super Tip markers, and I'm using different shades of orange to outline the pumpkins. I'm also going to be using a dark green shade for the vines. For the leaves that are coming out of the vines, I'm using different shades of red, yellow, brown, and more. This next page is a big monthly calendar, so I'm starting off by writing October on the top and adding some thickness to the letters. Now I'm drawing some horizontal lines, which are separated by about 4 dots horizontally and 5 dots vertically. And then I'm joining the lines vertically together with the ruler. I'm adding the days on top of the boxes. And I'm doodling some leaves on top. On the bottom, I'm doodling a scarecrow, which I showed in my 50 fall doodles video, so if you haven't seen that, make sure to check it out right after this video. So I'm drawing it on top of some grass, and I'm going to add 3 small pumpkins on the bottom as well. And again, I'm adding some shades of orange to the pumpkins, green for the grass, and red, blue, and brown for the scarecrow. And I'm filling in the numbers inside of the boxes as well. I'm highlighting the numbers with a dark orange. This next page is a mood tracker page, and I'm just doing different styles of lettering on top. And on the bottom, because fall is about apple picking, I'm drawing a basket of apples. On the basket, I drew some lines inside to give a woven texture. Now I'm drawing 31 stacked apples for 31 days of the month, with leaves and stems going in different directions. To track different moods, I'm using different shades of red, and I'll color in the apples the different shades accordingly throughout the month. I'm using a brown marker and a brown colored pencil to color in the basket. On the right, I have a habit tracker, and I have the different habits listed on the left. And to track them, I'm using a leaf vine, and for every time that I complete a habit, I will color in a leaf. On the bottom, I'm doing an expense tracker that's really simple because it's just a chart with a date and the activity. This page is a quote page, and I really like this quote by F. Scott Fitzgerald that says, "Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall." Going around the quote, I'm drawing leaves of different shapes and sizes. And I'm going to color them in with different shades of red, yellow, green, and brown. For my last page, I'm doing a weekly to-do spread, and I'm just going to draw 5 different boxes for 5 weeks in October. And I'm using red to highlight the boxes and the leaves. So here's the final flip through of this month's bullet journal. Okay guys, I hope you liked this October bullet journal spread. I really love drawing all of these pumpkins and leaves and more, and it's really getting me excited for fall. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!